why a lightning strike can set off a fire alarm. Introduction. Ever wondered why a lightning strike can set off a fire alarm, even when there's no fire? It might seem like a glitch, but there's a solid science behind it. Public buildings are equipped with complex alarm systems designed to detect smoke, heat, and electrical surges. The key culprit here? Electrical interference. When lightning strikes nearby, it creates a powerful electromagnetic pulse. This pulse can travel through electrical wiring, causing voltage spikes that confuse the fire alarm system. The result? A false alarm. Larger buildings have extensive wiring networks and interconnected alarm systems. A surge in one part of the system can trigger alarms across multiple zones. To prevent false alarms, buildings use surge protectors and proper grounding techniques. These help absorb excess electrical energy, keeping systems stable. Closing. So, next time a storm rolls in and a fire alarm goes off, it might just be lightning playing tricks on the system, but then again, 'tis always good to get confirmation on this from building staff before you go assuming it's a false alarm, because if a fire were to be ignited due to the effect of a lightning strike, such as damaging electrical boxes or other things, then you might not want to remain in the building too much longer. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all next time.